Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Got a tow truck. Taking the TRX. Now, man, what'd you do?
I don't know nothing.
Yeah, that's what everybody says. Welcome back to another day at Reflections. We got Adrian here.
Yes, sir. What is up, guys, and welcome to another episode of the vlog. We got Cali Muscle's car right here in our future print room. Yeah. Getting disassembled, ready for that new wrap. We also got this Honda Type R. That Type R right there. This is also going for a few pieces of wrap. I believe we're just doing the hood, roof, and trunk on this. Stay tuned on that. We got the red eye right here. Power coated the supercharger on that. Still got a few more mods to go. We also got Cali Muscle's Durango over here also getting unwrapped. Still got wrap on this side. Ooh. Might have to blur that out. We also got a few more things here. I'm over here cutting and polishing on this Dodge Challenger. Look at that. This is getting a ceramic coating as well. We got this sweet Dennis the Menace right here. Look at the wrap on that. Gotta love all the emblems. This is getting an underglow kit. All the lighting on it. We got Kenny over here cutting on this Maserati. So yeah, we got a few things here at the shop, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and yeah, we'll go ahead and see you on the next one.
What is going on, guys? You already know who it is. Jamie here at Reflectionz Detail. Another late night at the shop. Just to show you here, we just finished doing the lighting on this Charger, Red Eye, Hellcat, Daytona 500. I don't know, man. There's so many of these models that I can't even, you know, keep in touch of what the hell it is. But just got with the lighting here with Jimmy at California Lighting Reflections.
So guys,
make sure you follow Jimmy at California_lighting on Instagram. Send him a message if you're interested in any of this lighting. But got the custom headlights and wheel rings, correct?
yes.
All right, so custom.
Also, I think this is the second one out there. That's a white body Charger with the DRLs right below the headlights. Basically, it's a custom mod.
All right, so full custom.
Basically, you know what I mean. Show them if you want.
All right. It's a really cool reflective Dennis the Menace wrap. I'm gonna show you that in a little bit, and then I'm also gonna show you the. Let me see. Let me kind of see the reflective. All right, so but I'm also gonna show you. Well, let me just roll the B-roll here for you guys. Let me show you the wheel rings that Jimmy did, as well as the custom headlights and the custom fog lights that they did. Here we go. Alright guys, there you have it. What do you think? So full custom headlight with the demon eye, as well as the bottom fog light. Normally they don't come with them, but check it out. Look at how it just flows all the way down. So like Jimmy said, this is going to be the second one out there, he believes, to be able to have, or not to be able to, but that has these little side lights that normally go down and
DRLs.
over and over. So the DRLs?
Yeah, a third pair of DRLs, because you got basically, you got the yellow side marker DRLs, you got the headlight DRLs, and then you got the bottom strip that basically customized.
Okay.
You have the bottom.
And you said this is the second one out there, right?
That I've seen, yes, correct.
Okay. So there you go, guys. Coming out of Reflectionz Detail and California Lighting. It's the second one out there. But check out the demon eyes real quick. Check it out. Woo, man. Money bags right there. And out of everything, this is one of my favorite wraps I've ever seen out here. So, and it's reflective. Look at that. So far, like I said, it's one of my favorite wraps. It's on bags, it's on air. The wheel rings, the wheel rings complement these wheels really good. But let us know what you guys think. Drop it in the comments. It's only Thursday, tomorrow's Friday, and the week's not over. Alright, check this car out. It just now got done here at California Lighting and Reflectionz with full custom headlights and demon eye, full Flow Series underglow, and scoop. What do you guys think about this? Look at that. Would you look at that? Would you just look at it?